the road and bringing you with me, and we are set up in Lebanon, Tennessee at the Super Speedway, Nashville Super Speedway, at Triple Crown of Rotting. And in the background you can see the old Suburban. That's the old girl that we drive around all the time. And there's a little Ford. We got her down. I'm not showing it today. It's not finished. Like I said, I just don't have it quite tuned in, but you know me, I'm going to drive it for a while anyway. With that said, I'm going to flip you around here, and there's a little Ford. There's the Suburban. There's the big rig. There's the big canopy in the trailer. There's the guys, Cassidy and Merle. They look all enthused. Anyway, I do have some great news, and it's been coming for quite some time. So let me explain it first. So here, about 6 months ago, we placed an order for a truck box for one of our 3100 series, and the company that we put it in, the order in for, delayed. And pretty soon come to find out that they were closing their doors and they weren't going to supply anymore. So with that said, we took the advantage of that, which we considered to be an opportunity, was to produce our own box side. And the big thing with producing a box side, not everybody can do it, but there's a lot of shops that can produce a box side, which I'll turn you around and show you what I'm talking about here. This is a box side for one of these trucks. That's the front header panel that goes on it to connect the two box sides. And then there's a series of supports in the middle. So this is a box side, okay? Here's the back side of it. What you have to have on these box sides, if anybody's going to produce it, is a stake pocket, which is basically the front rear support that bolts it all together and, you know, gives it that aesthetic view. And back in the day from the factory, that's literally where they put the stake racks on. So we build these you know, now we don't put the stake pocket cutouts in them unless somebody wants them, but we produce that box. The problem we were having was getting the stake pocket, and so I'm going to turn you around here. So what we did was we got with a local company there up in Iowa, talked to them about producing or reproducing a stake pocket. And so these are the stake pockets, and I'll show you. This is our 3D design right here, and I'll show you what it does. Literally, you can see these holes here. This is the back one, so you kind of get an idea, but this thing just goes up in here, goes right up to the top, and that's the stake pocket, and you can kind of see how that goes on. But this one would go to this end right here and bolt that header panel together, and then same, that would go here, but that's actually a left hand. This is a right hand box side right here that I'm showing you. With that said, the only place they're producing these, as far as I know at this point, is in Taiwan. And this is one of those Taiwan ones right here. And I can tell you, the quality is just poor. That's all there is to it. It is poor quality. And, you know, as a body guy, that I have to buy one of these, and I have to spend hours and hours and hours trying to repair that thing and get it looking good for these show trucks. It's just a pain in the hind end. Even on a daily driver, you're going to spend a lot of hours trying to straighten these things up. But one of the other things that I found in some of the ones that are offered out there is all the ripples that are all in this, right up in this area right here when they press this thing out. And you just got hours and hours and hours. And I will also tell you, if you look how it sets right there, it's not true to the table. There's ours. That's that 3D design right there. It sits true to the table. And what I mean by that is when you put it up against the box, you've got to really press and bend and weld, and it distorts everything. And so we thought we could build a better product, and we have. So I've got the pictures yesterday. The die is complete, and they started producing those, I believe, Thursday or maybe Friday. Today is Friday, so they're going to start producing some of those today. Yesterday afternoon, they told me they were going to try to get them into the press. So I'm a little early on it, but I'm pretty sure it's a done deal at this point because I've seen the die. And we have the die, we have those stake pockets, we're going to have the box sides, we're going to have a series of 3100 Chevrolet parts, and hopefully, because it's a USA made, right in Iowa, stamped steel 16 gauge box side with stake pockets, I just hope that we're producing for everybody here in the States. And so with that said, this is Craig at Diggs Rod Shop. Turn you back around here one more time. That's what we're displaying for the weekend. And we have this little underdash deal right here too. I shouldn't call it a deal. An underdash is when you want to put AC in something, there's not a lot of places to put them. And you can see in my little Ford here, I have an extension below the dash, and you can see my vents in it right there. And obviously I built a console to go along with it. But that's kind of what this is. And this can actually be put in almost any vehicle. We make about 9 different sizes. You can get them with the rounds, you can get them with the rectangles, or you can get it with a blank. And we use a lot of vintage air, so that's just kind of a little magnet. You can move that wherever you want. With that said, you can get it in a blank, you can get it extra long, you can get it with caps on the end, however you want it. So that's one of the other things we produce. I will do another video as we get our e-commerce site up and going, and we're working on that. We've got a really just an awesome guy putting that together for us too. He's kind of waiting on us, I know that. So shout out to Bill. I'm getting there, Bill. I am. With that said, guys, we are set up here at Triple Crown, and it's just starting. And there's our booth. Oh, by the way, there's all the t-shirts and all them hats and memorabilia. If you guys want one of those, let me know. I'll get it to you. And again, you'll be able to get that on our e-commerce site too. This is Craig with Diggs Garage, catching you at Triple Crown. We'll see you on the road.